Welcome back to another Undercover Outdoors video. Today we got a good one for y'all. It's me and my friend Parker Woods. We go largemouth bass fishing, and Parker has never caught a largemouth before. He's never even went fishing for him. So I'm trying to teach him a little bit about fishing, and we caught some fish today in today's video, so we'll just get right into it.
Too big.
Yeah, but it'll be alright, I think.
Well, we're going for the big fish. So.
I like your attitude.
Only have 41 minutes.
I'm gonna pause until we... What do you have on? Huh? What do you have on again? Huh? Oh yeah, the crank. Yeah, cast and reel it like pretty swiftly. Like what? Like pretty swiftly. Reel it kind of fast. Hmm? Welcome to the fun part of bass fishing. Struggling for your life. I'm gonna stand right here on this corner. You stand right here on the other corner. Or if you don't want to fall in, you can always move over there to that spot where I caught that one at. Just like, even though I haven't seen any fish jump or hit the surface. Got one. Got one. Got one, P. Got one on the bug, baby. Yep. All right.
Doesn't it like paralyze the fish?
Hmm?
Doesn't it like paralyze the fish? Your largemouth. Want a picture?
Yeah, take my picture with it.
Nice.
Got it?
Yeah.
Bye, buddy. There he went. Here we go. One on the board. All right. All right, you know what to put on now. Put this little hook on and tell me when you got it on, okay? This one, the bigger one of these, okay? It's in the hooks and sinkers.
You gotta find one?
Yeah. I'll rig it up for you.
just want me to do it?
No, I got it here. I'm just reeling this real slow right through the strike zone. Just as I was getting ready to put this big old whopper, I'm still gonna put a big old whopper plopper on the fucking bait caster, but dude, yeah, I'm reeling that thing right through the mud, and this little guy's like almost waving, so it's just dragging through the mud like this.
So what do I have to do with this? Just let it sit?
So cast it out there, let it sink, and then reel it real slow. You have it tied on there?
No.
Oh, you're gonna have to, I got it.
I'll read this.
Dude, its head's following me.
I know, bro. Should we get out of here?
Nah, it's all right. It's in its nest right there. It's pretty cool, really.
I I didn't get on the boat to see if the bait was on there.
Yeah, those things bite, dude. They hurt.
Really?
Yeah, but it's all right. Staring down the geese. Dude, that thing's ready to strike.
I know, bro. Better at the wrestling camp than he is going to be at the...
Oh, you have one?
It's either that or that's how shallow it is.
Yeah, check out that cast. It gets shallow right up, like right where we are, but there's a drop off. We're gonna flash this crawl.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, just slow roll.
Bite, bite, bite. Better hook set it. Ready? I don't know if I have one or not anymore. No, I might just hit something. You got one? Oh! Did you actually have
I
one?
did actually.
You got him still?
Oh. Oh, it's a big one.
I really thought you had one.
No, I did. I thought I had one too.
You might have, but then you could have pulled into a cast.
I don't know if this is by itself or I better not snap your line.
I have plenty. It'll be all right.
Oh.
I could always buy more.
No,
What?
I need the bait.
I still have one more bug. Look at that cast. Oh my God, it's coming up. You'll get it, Parker. It's right there.
Alright, I'll go get it.
Nuh-uh, really?
Yeah, it's just right there.
Yeah, but like, get a stick or something. Don't get your feet wet.
No, I'm gonna get my feet.
Huh?
I'm not going to get my feet wet for it.
I'm getting a bite, P. I'm gonna set it. Ready? Got one! Got one! Got a nice one! Nice one!
I hope it comes off.
Got a nice one! Oh, yeah!
Swamp pumpy.
Got her! Got her, baby! On the crawl! New bait caster.
Got it.
Yeah, I told you I was getting a bite.
Bro. Nice one. On the jalapeno. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is. I told you I was getting a bite, and I was just like, all right, I'm gonna hook set. And watch what I say.
We need to watch it.
Did it swim off?
I think it's still there.
Man, the crawl, baby. Oh, there it went. It was a little bit dazed there for a second. You wanna put that? You wanna fish this right here? I have a ton of these, like a shit ton.
Yeah.
Okay. Use that rod. Take, just cut that one off and set it in my box.
What's on this?
the Sakoshi bug. I was lifting and doing the same thing that I was doing last time.
You were just jigging.
Yeah, I was jigging it off the bottom.
Jig it.
Here, I'll move. I'll take this spot because I can cast.
Jiggy with them.
Um,
Can I cross you?
yeah, you'll be all right for now. Video, yeah.
I don't catch fish here. Oh no, I'm gonna do something.
So jump in the lake, guys.
Some fresh chuck and look.
36 seconds
What,
on.
36 seconds.
That's as much time we have left on this SD card. Watch, guys, as I encounter a goose on the boat. Oh, I might have just had a bite. Hold up. I wasn't really paying attention. I felt a little jiggle.
Yeah.
All right, back to the fishing. That was actually kind of fun though.